Hello from Gardening at Twensa, and this is a very short video just to show you a succulent that I have in glorious yellow flower at the moment. Now this one came as quite a surprise to me when I was in here this evening doing other things and I spotted this glorious yellow flower. Quite reminiscent of a dandelion really, but you can see that the leaves are completely different. This plant is called Faucaria, and yeah, such a surprising, vibrant, bright, sunny yellow flower on top of these cucumber-like leaves. That's just a bud of something else. Now they aren't actually sharp, but they look like they should be, don't they? That's all really. I just wanted to share that with you because these succulent and cactuses, they flower for such a short period of time. If I were to leave this and include it in a later video, I might miss it completely. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.